Good day all. Airport Terminal 2 and Airport Terminal 1. Full video watch till the end. This is airport in Bangalore. See how good airport looks like. They have decorated. This is the arrival and departure digital board which has been put up in the here. See which are all flights. See this flight Indigo flight is landing. All flight details Indigo and Akasa Air flight both passing through. See this through passing through Indigo. See this is Indigo flight. See this has landed here. Indigo flight. All flight details I will show you. All airport all look I will show you. Watch the video till the end. Bangalore airport video I am showing you. See airport Indigo flight. It has landed. So see another flight will come now. And this is the Akasa Air flight has landed. And it is again trying to fly. So this is airport look of Bangalore International Airport. So watch the video till the end for all flights and all airport look. This is Air India flight. See this is Air India flight which has been landed here, and passengers are deboarding. See this is the inside look of the airport. See this is all terminus 2 they have decorated with bamboo and natural trees. So nice to see this airport which has been decorated naturally, and very ventilation is very nice. And terminus 2 this is elevator to go up. This is ground floor and first floor terminus 2 which has been newly built in Bangalore. This airport is very nice airport. So once you can visit for tourist purpose also, you can visit this airport. I went for just tourist purposes. I did not boarded any plane. Just for tour purpose I went there, and I enjoyed the day here. You can also go and you can also enjoy the day. Food is little bit costly. If you are going by car then it will be costly. If you are using a public transport it will be cheap. If you are using public transport as see these are all trees are being planted, and they are maintaining these trees daily, very nicely maintained. See how used this what do you say mini garden they have created in the airport. See this is the mini garden. This is departure list. See departure information. Digital display they have put up. This is inside bathroom of terminal 2. This is sensor bathroom. If you put your hand the water come out, and it also throws air to dry your hand. See this is how the mirrors and all the taps are all censored. If you put your hand in front of that it will blow air, and it will also release water. Whichever you want you can get it. Two sensors are there. This is garden airport. Maintained, very maintained, and well displayed done. You can see this how they have made from bamboo they have made the airport. Actually inside the metal all frames are there. Above that they have put up bamboos. See Akasa Air plane is going from here, ready to take off. Akasa Air flight. So 3 planes are parked here. You can see 3-4 planes are parked. 1 2 3 4 planes are parked here. You can see and one Akasa airplane is flying, you can see. See, one plane has landed here and it is ready to deboard the passengers. Very nice airport. Once you can visit it here, garden airport we can call it. See, all plants are being planted here, all natural. See how people are standing to just watch the flights there. Departures and arrivals and hotel and toilets board have been put up here. See all how greenery is there. All trees have been planted here. You can enjoy this. See, this is terminus 1 and terminus 2 and terminus 3 and terminus 4. Platform. This is platform, not terminus. This is platform 1 and 2, 3, 4. And this is all greenery. Green wall of terminus 2 airport in Bangalore. All see how big wall they have created. That's all greenery. See, these are all greenery. How big wall it is. Subscribe. I will share more this kind of videos in future also, and share with your family and friends. These are all plants. See how nicely they have planted a green wall they have created, and in the middle of the airport they have created this. Uh, when you are coming out of the airport, you can see these good plants which have been planted. When you are going to board your car or your bus, then you can see it here. Outside they have planted these trees to make the airport greenery and garden airport. See, this is trolleys which you carry your, which from which you carry your luggage. The staff is alighting or arranging these trolleys. This is a shuttle service from Air India, which was free from terminus 1 to terminus 2 and terminus 2 to again terminus 1, which is free of cost. I boarded this twice. See, this is airport guiding center, plane guiding center, which has been built it here. Very big airport boarding that and this one is digital displays to use and book your tickets. These ATM machines have been installed. From this you can book your plane ticket. This is Digi Yatra. You can no need to wait and show the documents. You can just go and show your face. You can go inside, or you can put your thumb and get inside. This is Digi Yatra enabled airport. This is terminus 1 and this is departure place. See, this is platform 8 and 9. Total maybe 10 platforms are there in this place. So this is Bangalore airport. Big display has been put up. Bangalore. This is Bangalore. See, BMTC shuttle, Flybus Intercity shuttle, and departure, Ola parking, arrival, Uber, airport taxi, private car pickup point, and toilets. I love Bangalore like that airport. All greenery is there. You can see. This is terminus 1. This is the arrivals. Indigo, SpiceJet, Akasa Air, Go First, all SpiceJet, all details. Gwalior, Goa, Delhi, Manipur. Arrival details have been shown for a digital display. That is, this is arrival place. The airport terminus 1 arrival place. This one. This is arrival place. See, this is departure. To get into the airport, this is the departure place. These are all ticket booking counters of airport. You can book your ticket here. See, this is domestic international transfer passenger. Board has been for terminus to from. You can go from here. It has been shown. See, this is greenery. How they have planted trees in the heads of the well-known people or the agriculturist. just to show the greenery of this airport. See, from terminus 2 to terminus 1 I have shooted all video, all how plantation have been done here. You can see all greenery, full of greenery this airport. Please subscribe, share with your family and friends. This kind of videos I keep on uploading airports, train, railway station and bus stands. Wherever I go on all in over the world, I will be uploading. So please subscribe. See how greenery is there. Full plantation is done. See how plantation is done. How good plantation is done. See, this is how good plantation is done. From terminus 2 to terminus 1 I was going. Then at that time I have recorded this video. See how nice it is there. How good plantation greenery is there. You can see whole airport outside look also will show you in 1 second. Keep on watching. See, this is airport 1, terminus 1. How big airport that their entrance outside photo you can see. Car park also I will show you in 1 minute. So this is airport 1. This is Taj Hotel. This glass building which you are seeing, that is Taj Hotel. Maybe another some hotels might also be there, but I read one board stating that it was a Taj Hotel. See how greenery is there. Full garden city they have made. Airport fully green they have made. Full greenery they have made. All full greenery they have made. See how all greenery is there. Full greenery. Full greenery is there. Some person is doing greenery cleaning here. Very huge airport. Very big airport. International airport. This is international airport. Now see so many cars are coming. You can see here. So many cars are coming. So many cars are coming. You can see here. See, this is the car park. This is the car park of terminus 1. This is AC bus which is coming to from City Market, say Majestic to Kempegoda bus Nildana. It is coming to international airport. See, this is all greenery. That is what you can say. Full car parking is there. See, you can so many car parks. All is car parking. Full car parking is there. You can see. Please subscribe. See, so many car parking. So many car parking here. And two-wheeler parking is also there. This is car parking. This is the car parking. See, terminus 1 outside look how it looks of Bangalore International Airport. You can see here. This is the international airport. So huge. It looks like from far. How good display it looks like. On the right hand side you can see that is after the flag in the right hand side it is terminus 2, but you cannot see the whole airport from here.